What is e-learning content development? Well, we're gonna go over that today, but first we have a free masterclass for you. Check it out, linked right below this video, and it's all about how to build a successful e-learning program or online course. We go through the first couple steps with you and send you on your way to success.
We are e-learning partners. Welcome to the channel, all about simplifying your e-learning so you find success in your e-learning programs and online courses. Thank you so much for being here. We are jumping into what is e-learning content development. Mr. Haney, go for it, my friend.
So e-learning content development is simple. It is the development of electronic learning content.
Oh, that's it. We're done. See ya. No, we're just kidding with you. It is creating content in a digital form that lives in a digital place that you can access a learner base through a digital means. That was pretty good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Digital learning content. So what types of e-learning content can you develop?
You can develop videos. You can develop PDFs. You can develop authored e-learnings. What else can you develop, Johnny?
I'm writing. Audio.
Oh yeah, audio. You could develop audio. You could develop NFTs.
PDFs. PPTs. NFTs. Just kidding. So if you want to learn more, we have a video for you all about the 5 types of content you can create to make your e-learning kick ass. Thanks for the likes and subscribe.
Quabong!